This one has 11 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hi. And we're back again. Got ropes. Huh?
They had this.
No.
Like the battle.
I didn't like this one yesterday.
Yeah, it's a real battle zone area.
And more basketball. More jumping. Yeah. Oh, that's good. It's not fan. Then you have the small kids area right here. That's for Everly, yeah. They have a little swing. Everly was playing here yesterday. It has three, yeah. Yeah.
They got that little dance.
Yeah, they had the little dance thingy. Then they have a fish thingy over there. You see that? That's the back parties in the room. And the thing slide. Oh, your shoes blend in. Oh, it's a cyclo beat. Oh, second game. And then they have this right here. So they have that one? Not like this. Here. There's party rooms. They have a lot of party rooms. Yeah. Hi.
We compare it to the Cerritos one.
So that's the slides. That's the zip line. Not bad. Yeah. They have zip line and they have the 3 slides.
Limited number of passes.
So I'll purchase it today with the card. That's the big sign. That's the little slides. They're still cool. More arcade. You sit. The basketball. And then over there's the soccer. So this is basketball. And this is soccer.
Nope, not installed.
So that's the food area. That's where you come in. That's the party room, the first party room. First party room. That's the second party room. You can go in? Can you go in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you. Third room. Fourth room. Restroom. Sixth room. What happened to 5 room? That's the boys' bathroom. The arcade. You could go back in. Girls' bathroom. Seventh room. Ninth room. That's another room. Oh, you go through 11. Oh, so this is 10 and 11. Oh, the room can light on, come on. And 11 over here. That's crazy. So 11 rooms. And then 8 room. Oh, okay. And you come back out this way. That's tight. I like your room 8 and number 1. That's nice. Well, you saw it. That's everything. Well, I showed you. That's the Cienega Sky Zone.